In this video, Bitcoin went back to the support area of this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and also we are going to understand what happened to the latest Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our video before diving in to the bigger time frame. So, 'di ba sa previous video, ang minomonitor natin was this Bitcoin falling price while the RSI was increasing, and traditionally, those movements usually lead into a bullish movement, but as you can see, that did not play out. So, nangyari is na-hit yung stop loss natin, and then ngayon wala tayong current trade na naka-open. So, yun yung nangyari sa latest Bitcoin price action, but rather what's next dito kay Bitcoin. So, if you are going to zoom out dito kay Bitcoin sa short term, just a quick analysis lang sa short term, and let's try to look at this in the daily time frame. You can find na kay daily time frame, we are starting to form somewhat of this much bigger falling channel. So, ang nangyayari pala talaga is in fact we are in a much bigger falling channel, or some people could say na this could be a bigger falling wedge. So in this case, we can expect Bitcoin to move between this up and down movement within the next few days or next few weeks. As you can see, we can actually see this big pattern that's going to play out between September up until siguro end of October, and that is going to be a long consolidation nga dito kay Bitcoin, and I don't think na we are going to expect any massive boom na looking at this latest movement dito kay Bitcoin. But the next thing na maganda tingnan dyan is actually by looking at the RSI. Kasi if let's say we have started forming dito, if let's say nag-start na to mag-form ng somewhat of asymmetric triangle sa RSI, then that could indicate yung big move ni Bitcoin. But yeah, I'm going to discuss that in the next video na lang kasi I think it's still too early to tell pa kung ito ba yung magpo-form ng big triangle dito kay Bitcoin sa RSI. But yun nga, if ever na yun yung case nga, then of course, we are going to take advantage of the next trade. Pero for now, we are going to watch out muna itong bigger triangle na to. And siguro mas gusto ko pag-usapan ngayon yung Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve kasi as usual, yung first day of the week natin na video is going to be a bigger time frame analysis. Then yung mga succeeding videos is going to be the short-term analysis. And as much as possible, itatry ko gawin yung format na yun. It's just that nagiging busy lang ako uh, out of uh, out of YouTube. But yeah, let's now dive in dito kay Bitcoin. So as you can see, lately, we have been following this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Para sa mga hindi nakaalam, ang logarithmic growth curve is actually a very good indicator in determining kung nasan part na ba tayo ng market cycle. And as you can see, Bitcoin has been inside this long consolidation for almost 1 year na nga. And it's actually pretty normal kasi sa mga previous consolidation, we actually saw 2 years dito nung isang market cycle. And yeah, it can vary from cycle to cycle. But as you can see, one thing na pinaka-common dyan is we are following yung mga support areas na yan. And as you can see, Bitcoin has just been roughly holding the support area dito for the past 2 years nga. Or roughly past 1.5 year. And as you can see dito kay Bitcoin, bumagsak siya lately, but ang daming natakot sa latest movement na yun. But as you can see, if you're going to look at the logarithmic growth curve, we are still holding this support line. So right now, it's very crucial na we have to maintain this support line dito kay Bitcoin kasi if hindi, then if let's say mag-start siya mag-break down to the downside, then this could invalidate the whole logarithmic growth curve, then hindi na natin siya magagamit. But looking at the historical data na nagsasabi kung ano ba mangyari dito kay Bitcoin, it's more likely na this is the lowest point of the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, it's much better to invest ngayon for the long term. If let's say you want to open into one investment opportunity sa spot trading, then this is actually one of the best times. So ako personally, maghuhulog ako ng mga Bitcoin ngayon, maglalagay ako ng Bitcoin, magbabuy ako, and of course, I'm going to invest this for the long term. So, as you can see, 52,000 is actually the critical support area na kailangan natin watch out for the Bitcoin price to be healthy sa market cycle. So, right now, it's still holding within the 52K, and it's right now playing around the 57. So, ang pinakang magandang mangyari dito kay Bitcoin is of course mag-consolidate pa dito siya further, just like what we mentioned earlier. Then after ng consolidation niya dyan, we are more likely going to go back around the all-time high, which is around the 73,000 US dollars. But I think 92,000 is somewhat reachable. It's actually a realistic target price. We can actually reach 92,000 based on this latest data model na to. Kasi we have been consolidating for a very long time na nga, and usually a long consolidation would actually follow a big movement kay Bitcoin. It's either a bullish or bearish, but looking at this data, it's actually leaning towards a bullish movement. So right now, it's actually looking good dito kay Bitcoin. And take note, if wala pa kay account para makapag-open ng trade kay Bitcoin, make sure to trade guys kay Bybit, kasi kay Bybit mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kay account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find the description down below. And of course, if di pa kayo marunong paano mag-open ng account and mag-open ng panibagong trade kay Bybit, make sure to check our tutorial playlist na you can find the description down below. It's our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. And it's all for free guys, so you can actually learn trading cryptocurrencies for free. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.